Managing an affiliate program, one of the most important things to provide your affiliates is creatives like banners and text that they can use to promote your products and services. In Post Affiliate Pro 4, if you come over here in your control panel and click on Banners, you can click on Overview and get an overview of the type of banners and creatives that you have available. And then you can click Banners Manager and see everything that's available. Quality Unit has put in an example of every type that's available. And I'm going to show you. I'm going to click on Add Banner here. I'm going to show you how to add an image banner, a text link, and an HTML banner. The other three I'm going to do in more advanced tutorials. And you see, even though it's called banners, it's for every type of creative that's available here. So I'm going to click on Image Banner, and it comes up where I would put in a name, and it would be generally something that's descriptive of the banner. I like to put the size in there. You have to choose what campaign it's for, and then the destination of where it's going to lead the person who clicks on it. And then down here you click Change Image. Even though there isn't one yet, you click Change Image and Browse. If you have the file on the internet already, you can enter the image URL here and click Apply. In this case, I'm going to upload it from my hard drive, so I'm going to click Browse, and it is this banner right here. So I double click that and say Apply, and you see it pulls the banner right in there. There's also a place for image alt text, which you'll want to fill in, and then you click Create. It says banner was saved, and so that one's been set up. You can also set a size if you want on it. Now we're in a place where we can edit it. So I can say predefined size and choose which size from this list. And I would suggest just about every one of these having a size available, because these are the ones that most people have room for on their sites. So I can set a size and click Save. Now I'm going to go back to Banners Manager and say Add Banner and add a text link. And this is different. Test example 1. You have to pick the campaign. You have to give the destination URL again. And then you'll see it has a bold title and then the text itself. And it's all of it inside an href. I'll show you how to change that later in configuration if you want. So the title, tutorials for everyone, and the text, these are great tutorials, and click Create. And it's as simple as that. The banner was saved now. It shows what it looks like here when people get it. And finally, I'm going to come in here and click Add Banner and do an HTML banner. That one's very different, actually. HTML banner 1. Pick a campaign, the destination URL, and then down here you'll see it's hard to see because I've got this on a smaller window for tutorial size, but you can do it in HTML or you can use their WYSIWYG editor, which is really nice. I'm going to use that to start and say put something in there like that, a heading, and with the WYSIWYG you can then take it and change it to bold, really anything you want to do. I change the color, I can change the font size, I can change the actual font. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm also going to hit Enter. And right here you see Insert External Image. I can actually put an image in there, and the URL for the image I want to use I'm going to paste in here and say OK, and it pulls the image in. And this gives what would show up, but there isn't a link in here yet. So with the HTML banners, it's important to go to this next step. I'm going to click HTML to put it back to HTML again. And we need to add the link. So I'm going to put a href equals, and in here you can choose from this list of insert constants. In this case it's the target URL. So I'm going to put that in there, and then I'm going to close the ahref on the other side of the banner here. I'm also going to, in the image source here, put border equals 0. So the browser doesn't put a border around it. And now I'm going to go back to WYSIWYG, and you see it put an underline under here, and this is now a link. So that's important to use the constants like that. Don't put in an actual Ahref, because this will generate the target URL with the affiliate ID, and then click Create. And now that we've done that, going over to Banners Manager, you see the 3 are there, and I can always click over here to edit any of these or look at their statistics. I'm going to go into the affiliate control panel here and refresh it to be sure it's logged in right. And an affiliate then can click on Promotion and click on Banners and Links and come down and see all of the banners. And it starts out with the ones that Post Affiliate Pro put in there. But as we go down, we can see the